Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I'm excited because I'm bringing you a review for a set of dip powders from a company that is new to me. And what jumped out to me about this company and these products, guys, is that they are US made. Yes, you made in the USA. So for those, wanting to support our local businesses, here's an opportunity. Okay, you're in the nail industry, you want to support your local business. This is a USA made product out of Garland, Texas. It was shipped to me for review and they sent me their most popular summer colors here. These are neon powders. They have their essential liquids for the powder application. And went ahead and gave me a code for a 25% discount as well. So take advantage of that. I'm going to show you everything that I have here. The code is Nora57, my first name, Nora57. I will have scroll it down at the bottom of the screen. I will have it down in the description bar as well as other links that you'll want to take advantage. So before I jump into showing you everything that I have here, let me tell you about the company just a little bit and their social media links. So again, the name of the company is Double Dip. Here's the name. Yeah, it's a cute name there. So Double Dip, out of Garland, Texas, USA. And if you go to their Facebook page, I will have that link down at the bottom. If you go to their Facebook page, guys, they do weekly giveaways. Weekly giveaways of products worth over $100. So yeah, they do have, so go ahead and join their page, like their page, follow them, as well as Instagram. They have their Instagram handle as well. And the code that they gave me, with the code that they gave me, Nora57, you'll get a 25% off their purchase if you buy 3 colors of their pastel or summer line or their summer collection. And if you use my code, and also that will include, you get your liquids, your powders. You can order 3 of them, get 25% off, and by using my code you get a nice surprise. It will also include, they were nicely enough to include this makeup brush with a nice wooden handle, but it's very light, not heavy at all. Nice wooden handle and soft. You can use this for makeup or you can use it for your powder application because you have to brush off the dust. And also, keep this beautiful makeup bag. Take a look at it, the holographic unicorn finish on it, on the see-through plastic. Nice size makeup bag, or you can use it to carry your nail products. You can, here I can show you, you can see how wide this is. It opens up. It's folded kind of flat right now, but see, it opens up. You can see how wide it is. It's pretty deep, nice size, so your makeup brushes will fit there nicely, and it's zipper. So yeah, this is, you use my code Nora57, and on top of you getting 25% off of your little kit with 3 colors, you'll get this beautiful bag and the makeup brush included, which you can use for your powder application. Now let me go ahead and show you up close what these colors look like. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some swatches, but I want to use these on my daughter. So I'm going to go ahead and do just a quick tutorial application on how you use the powders, how you use the kit, and I will show them to you up close. But also let me mention that these jars are full-size jars. They're 2 ounces. 2 ounces. They're not the small jars at all. And I've already gone ahead and opened them. They do come sealed. You'll see that on some of the clips when I show you up close the colors. But they did come sealed. And here you can see it. These are, where's 2 ounces right there. Really good size jars for professional use as well. And they did a good job at packaging this. I'll go ahead and insert a quick picture so you can see they were nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, so nothing will leak or break or anything. They were nicely protected when they were sent to me. So I will go ahead and now leave you with a tutorial on how to apply this. I'm going to go ahead and apply these on my daughter, and I will show you some swatches, and I'll meet you back at the end. I hope you guys enjoy. And here's the final result, guys. Absolutely stunning colors. My daughter just loved them. And stay tuned till the end because I did do a design on these nails as well. Remember that I have my discount code NORA57 for a 25% discount on this starter kit, with either 3 neon colors or 3 pastel colors. And if you are new to dip powders, here's a brochure. They do include this with step-by-step, detailed step-by-step on how to do these at home. So this is all I have for you guys. I will have some shots of the colors up close. I would like to thank Double Dip for sending me this beautiful kit to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.